Good morning, everyone. As you can see, I am in not necessarily the middle of nowhere because I'm close to town, but I am definitely in the middle of a bunch of nothing. I just got off work. It is about 8 a.m. Big Time doesn't open till 9, so I had a little time to kill. Figured I'd come see how Silverado's four-wheel drive works, considering we got some rain last night. Caught the tail end of the storm. There's still clouds everywhere. It's beautiful. These are my favorite kind of days, especially in Tucson, because today it is not swelteringly hot. It is not miserable to be outside right now. Sitting on the roof because it was one of the only places on the truck that didn't get, well, not necessarily filthy, but to the point where I didn't feel like sitting or leaning. So the reason we're waiting on Big Time to open is because Jeremy and the guys, being as awesome as they are, I love Big Time for their customer service. We went over some projection figures on how much the final total was going to cost on this build for labor, and I'm pretty sure Jeremy saw my heart drop. So he made an offer to me, which was, they're swamped with work. So, hey man, if you want to come be a helping hand on your own build so you can cover everything for everyone and, get the pictures and videos you were hoping for, and then also help alleviate some of the workload off us, come down and help out, get involved. And that is awesome. I never thought a shop would be willing to do something like that for me, and Big Time went above and beyond, as always, to let me do that. So I guess basically whenever I fish my way out of here, I am going to go wash this crap off the truck, stop by Big Time, and we are starting work today. And the very first thing we're doing is roll cage, and going to start disassembling everything. So I'll check back in a minute when we get at the shop.
It's all cable. The AC shit.
I'm gonna have to use the truck last too.
Huh?
Here, Dylan, go on the other side. There's so many fucking wires in this car.
You don't care about AC control, do you?
Fuck no.
Okay.
Alright, now where the fuck do these lines go?
I mean, do you hate it yet or what?
Getting there.
So end of day one, interior is mostly pulled. Gotta finish pulling the rest of this wiring out. Pull the rest of this dead shit off the roof. Dash is out. Matt made a damn mess. Fucker. Hole. Are you following me, bro? Damn, son. Y'all ready for that transplant? No, JK.
This shit or, this shit.
Oh, it's like there.
Yeah. Right, so there's
Picture taken from this corner.
There's two different styles. That box design with the floor mount.
And you go with the floor mount.
Over here at Big Time for day 2. Special guest appearance by John. Good morning, ladies.
We're not open till 9. I don't know why you're here.
I didn't want to go home first. Everything in the cage forward, about 2 inches on the mounts. Bottom door bars going in, starting on that side next. The main roof loop is through. Pop the sunroof open for some ventilation. And then after that, it'll be dash bar, X-brace in the back, and then the NASCAR bars will go in and the cage should be done.
Woo! Yo, motherfucker! You couldn't handle this.
Right there.
That's why I'm over here. That felt good on your hand.
Ah!
I didn't get to see any of this on Friday because my dumbass decided to go to the bar and get smashed with a bunch of coworkers. I ain't gonna do that again anytime soon. But they made some decent progress on the cage. The front dash bar is in, or at least tacked in. They haven't done any of the final welds yet in case shit needs to be moved around. The sunroof is in. The rear bars are in. These are good on the mounts down at the bottom. So all that's technically left is the X-brace for the harnesses here in the middle. We're going to be cutting out the doors here in a few minutes. And then putting these into their final place. And I'm going to be spending more time here today than I thought, because Jeremy just gave me the good news that my motor is done and ready for pickup, and I'm ready to see that shit.
Well, I just came here to, you know, look at the flow forward.
So like usual, I lost track of time, forgot that I had a regular job to attend to, so it's 3 p.m. and I gotta be at work at 11, so I'm headed home, get some sleep. Didn't get to film everything I wanted to today, but I'll be back bright and early tomorrow morning to unveil the motor and do more work on the cage. So that'll do it for this video, and I'll see you next time.